I have a message for the people of Lebanon. Israel's war is not with you. It's with Hezbollah. For too long, Hezbollah has been using you as human shields. It puts rockets in your living rooms and missiles in your garage. It's with Hezbollah. For too long, Hezbollah has been using you as human shield.
إذا كنتم تتواجدون في مبنى يستخدم أيضا من قبل حزب الله أو من قبل عليكم الخروج من القرية والابتعاد بمسافة 1000 متر.
If it is the case, it is completely unacceptable and against any kind of rules. We have in the European Union what the freedom of media is concerned. Free press is one of the core values of the European Union. It is completely unacceptable if this would be the case.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.